There are 3 courses that we teach in the Department of Physical Sciences. Most of the students are studying one of our 2 A-level courses. We offer A-levels in physics and in chemistry. We also have a small number of level 2 students who are studying GCSE science to try and get their grade up from a D to a C. There are all sorts of progression routes that physical science has opened up, becoming a scientist, working in research or working in industry. But as well as that, physics opens up all of the careers in engineering. Whatever sort of engineer that you're interested in being, if you're going to be doing anything that involves working with any form of materials, you will need a good understanding of chemistry.
I chose geography because I'm really interested in the world and how it works. We do a combination of like the physical and the human side of geography. So we look at earth systems like volcanoes and natural disasters and plate tectonics. We do the human side of it, seeing how the physical side actually affects people and technology and population.
Choosing A-level maths, lots of different reasons for it. The main reason is that it's one of the few A-levels that actually gives you skills that make you employable, rather than just the subject content. So you're a good problem solver, you understand logic, and you've got all these different thought processes that apply to any old problem at all. Doesn't matter what the job is, what the industry is you're working in, you can think clearly. That all comes from A-level maths.
In 1961, social psychologist Stanley Milgram devised a test to see if ordinary law-abiding people would give a stranger a lethal electric shock in the name of science.
Behavioral psychologists have come up with new views, not only of animal behavior, but of human nature as well. And these views all concern a process that we take for granted, learning, because we are all truly born to learn. Pavlov, a noted Russian scientist, won the Nobel Prize for Physiology and Medicine in 1904. As this original footage shows, Pavlov was initially interested in digestion and the action of the salivary glands. By diverting the saliva of dogs into test tubes, he could precisely measure if and how much they salivated during digestion. When food was presented, the dogs salivated quickly, an inherited salivary reflex. But over repeated testings, a strange thing happened. The dog salivated before contact with the food.
In sports science, we learn about the anatomy of the body, so post, during and pre-exercise, and the different systems during exercise as well. So cardiovascular system, respiratory system, and generally just the effect exercise has on our body